What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Pathfinder. As you saw, we just got the four-wheeler loaded up. I actually just stopped and got some bait over at Mike's Bait on 8 over in the Chisago area, and I am heading south into the metro. I'm going to be meeting up with Dustin and another one of my best friends, Caelan, who's in town from Florida, and he's never gone ice fishing. So we're going to get him out there, try to get him on some fish. Chuck's going to meet up with us as well, and see if we can't get Caelan on one of his first fish through the ice. So should be a fun episode. A little bit of a chaotic morning. We're running late, but hey, we're going to get out on the ice. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. Can't wait to take you guys with me. See you soon. All right, we are just about set up. The man, the myth, the legend, Dustin is back.
Hello. Hello.
We are getting everything set up right now. Chuck and Caelan are going to be here in about an hour. You know how we do it at Pathfinder Guide Service. We get everything set up. We're going to go out there. We're going to find the fish. We're going to get the hub set up on top of the fish. So that way Chuck might have a chance of catching a fish today, because that is the only way that he seems to be able to catch fish, is if we put him right on the spot.
Pretty boy Chuck, he's got to be right on top of him, otherwise he can't.
He just doesn't know how to do it.
People just don't have it.
We're going to get out on the ice here, and we'll see you guys in a sec. Okay, just switch to a much smaller presentation. We're gonna see what these are down here. Hopefully. Steamer. All right, what are these? Little baby perchies. Where there's perch, there's walleye, baby. So they say. A little nicer. A little bit. There's another one. It's going to be a perch slaughtering day. Bunch of little baby perch. Send down a flutter spoon or something, and it doesn't go straight down, so your Vexlar doesn't like see it anymore.
Oh yeah.
It's like 20 feet off to the right.
That's a perch.
Yeah.
That's a perch. Ooh, decent though.
Ooh, that's a nicer one. That's a nicer one. That's a nice perch. That's my thing. Honestly, for here, like, that's not a bad perch. I like a little 6 or 7 incher. Justin, a little decent one. They're just coming up and thudding it over here. This is the spot right here. That's a little fry. Little guy. Oh yeah, we got some movement on that one. Ooh. Yeah, take her, take her.
Boy. Oh yeah, might be a northern.
You'll be all right.
Oh yeah, bud.
Ooh. Ooh.
She's a feisty one, boy.
Waste, come here. Waste, come here. Come here. Good boy. Gonna get tangled up and go down the hole with it.
What we got? What we got? Yeah, it's northern. Northern.
Decent size or no? That's 10-pound plural, so you can ice it, yeah. Little snaky snake.
Bad.
That's not one you want to kiss, Waylon. Nice. All right, we're going to pick up Poppy, Chuck, and Caelan.
There's the paddy wagon keys there.
You ready to go out on some frozen water, brother?
Catching the biggest fish out there.
Especially those Milwaukees and their batteries now. Oh, goddamn things are starting to really go 25, 30 screws from what they're already getting. Oh, really? I don't know if it was.
Oh, I got one.
Get a boy. Yeah. Hey, get a picture. Get a picture. Oh yeah. Bite his head off. Now what?
The fact that this thing ate that minnow is impressive. I thought it was a northern. Okay, we've caught a bunch of perch. Dustin's got a pretty nice northern on the board, and we were able to get Caelan on a couple of his first fish on ice, so pretty exciting stuff. We're moving a little bit deeper right now to see if the fish are moving with us deeper. Got all the tip up set up too. I'm really hoping we can get Caelan a decent sized northern before he has to go home. Try to get a couple more fish on the ice for you. Ooh, that's a nice remark.
So,
I gotta take a picture with you, sir. Yeah, keep it right there. Just that's it. Get it.
Give a little
Get over it. Oh, there you go. You got him. You got him. You got him. You're on. There you go.
No?
Yeah, he's on.
Play with it, baby. Play
He
with
is.
it.
Feels like an okay one. Looks like it is. He's in perch. That's a nice. That's a jumbo. I'll call that a jumbo. Yee yee. Yee yee. Okay, now you're.
All about the candy, baby. It's all about getting that 2 cents a mile.
Here. Atta boy. That was a nicer one.
I think I want to stay over here.
Yeah.
that's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is a nice fish.
Here, drag going.
Play him slow.
That means it's a bigger fish.
You're doing good.
Keep going.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
See how he hits it on the screen? That's pretty cool.
I didn't see the screen.
What has he got, Waylon? Waylon, watch out! Watch out! Go get Chuck! Go get Grandpa! Go on! Oh, dude, that's a good one. Nice, dude. Nice, dude.
Now the real fun part about it is when you're seeing that and you're by yourself, you have to kind of dig it out of there too.
Exactly. You got to go down and get your fish.
That thing is huge.
And look at those teeth. Get your head in there and look at those teeth that he's got in there. Can you imagine if they get even bigger? Those teeth get bigger.
Oh, really?
There you go.
Now move your arms out
Slimy.
straight.
I'll take a picture of him.
Catching the biggest fish out there.
Okay, been pretty slow for the past hour. Don't know what the plan is here. I think we're probably gonna get out of here in the next hour at least. Hopefully we get a couple more tip-ups. I did not catch it, but did you catch the walleye on your GoPro?
I got a little bit of it.
A little bit, so you can see it at least? Okay, well,
The last part of it. Yeah.
Caelan caught his first ever walleye.
Well,
Oh, it's got teeth.
Caelan just got a baby walleye.
Wow. Let's go.
Which makes him a true Midwestern, Minnesotan professional guide service kind of guy.
I earned the card.
Yep. The card.
He is him.
He is him.
I am
He's the
Timothy.
walleye guy. Timothy the walleye guy. So hopefully we get on a couple more for you guys. I'd like to get a couple more catches on video hopefully. I'd love a tip up or two before we pack up and go home. Chuck's over here. He's catching minnows for future fishing days. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we just finished up on the ice. Caelan took the four-wheeler around and ripped around for a little bit.
Oh my god, that thing was so fun.
Before he goes home to Florida. His flight leaves at 5 today, so we're gonna get him home. But thanks for watching. We caught some pretty small perch. It was cool that Caelan caught that walleye, so we know that there are walleye out on that lake, so we can do some overnight camping.
I'm glad I was able to catch something a little big. Definitely be back. We're going up more north.
Oh
Next
yeah,
time,
we're
do some trout fishing.
taking Caelan to do some rainbow trout and red lake walleye fishing, baby.
So don't forget to subscribe. Click the link below, and we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.
Peace.